Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
In this video, I'm going to show you how you are going to do a very powerful spiritual oil that you can use to attract money, attract love, and then attract positive things into your life. So for this particular powerful direction, all that you are supposed to do is that you get sea salt, just a teaspoon of the sea salt, and then also you are supposed to get 7 pieces of the cat eye seeds of the ABRUS precatorious seeds, what we call in Ghana the breku anywhere. And then also you are supposed to get a bottle of the 6 flower perfume oil. So for this particular direction, if you are such that maybe wherever you go, people do not love you, or you are not able to attract the good things that you want, or things are not going well for you, you are just going to get a bottle of the 6 flower perfume oil and then the items that I've mentioned. If you are not even in Ghana, or you think that you cannot get these items, you can get them from Amazon with the link that I've provided in the description and then in the comment section of this particular video. So for this particular direction, as I said, you are just going to get 7 seeds of the ABRUS precatorious. For that one, when you go to the market, you can easily get the seeds from the market women. So it's a very common seeds that you can get from them, or you can get it from the bush. So that is very powerful item that you can use for this particular direction. On this channel, I've talked about a lot of things that you can do with the cat eye seeds or the ABRUS precatorious. So I've put the link to that video in the description of this particular video for you to also benefit. So you can click on that link to watch the other videos, but please kindly ensure that you also comment where you are watching from in the comment section so that I also know you. So for this particular direction, you are going to take a teaspoon of the sea salt, and then you get the 7 seeds of the ABRUS precatorious, and then also you are going to take the 6 flower perfume oil, and then you are also going to take 7 whole cloves. So after getting these items, you are going to pound the 7 whole cloves, and then also you are going to pound the sea salt with it. Please, you pound everything into very fine powder. So after pounding these 3 items, you now pour it into the 6 flower perfume oil. Please, if you cannot pound it, you can use a blender to blend them together to become a very fine powder before you add it to the oil. So after adding it to the oil, you shake it very well, and then you put it somewhere for it to stay there for about 7 days. So after 7 days, you are now going to take it and then mix it with your body cream. You are going to mix some with your body cream and be using. But please, if you are such that you do not use body cream, you can just apply a little of this, and then you apply it on your face and hands before going out daily. And then you see that people will start favoring you, and then wherever you go, you will start attracting love. So this is a very powerful spiritual direction that I'm recommending that everybody will do it with the 6 flower oil, the cloves, the sea salt, and then the cat eye seeds or the ABRUS precatorious. But please, if you're a woman, kindly ensure that you do not use this oil during menstruation. So please, if you are a woman, kindly ensure that you divide your cream into 2. The part that you'll be using during menstruation, you should not add this oil. And then also, you have another part that you'll be using, and that is what you are going to add the oil to it, and then you'll be using. So this is a very powerful oil that I am recommending to everyone to use. If you are also somebody who wants to attract customers, kindly ensure that you do this particular oil and then you'll be using, so that you get a lot of customers. Please, this is a very powerful spiritual item, so please kindly do it, and then you bring your testimony on my Facebook page, the remedies, so that I post it. I'll post it anonymously so that nobody knows that you are the one. And then if you are also using any of the things that I've posted, kindly ensure that you also bring your testimony. If you also have any question, you ask it in the comment section. But please, for this particular oil, do not share it with anybody, and then do not also tell anybody about it. The moment you tell anybody about it, it will stop working. And then also, the moment you share it with anybody, like maybe your boyfriend or girlfriend or your parent or even your child, no, do not share it with anybody. The moment you share it with anybody, it will lose its power. So please kindly ensure that you use it alone, and then you bring your testimony. So thank you very much for watching this video. But please, for the Six Flower Oil, you can get some from those people who sell things like the Florida water and stuff. And then also, you can also use the link that I've provided in the description and then in the comments to buy some from Amazon if you are not in Ghana or maybe a country that you can get some. So thank you very much for watching this video. In our next video, I shall talk about how you can use the Bint El Sudan and then other oils to get what you want. So please kindly ensure that you subscribe to the channel, and then you also comment where you are watching from. May this particular direction work for you. Kindly ensure that you comment amen in the comment section. Thank you very much. Bye.
Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel, and then the notification button. Thank you very much.